I can't wait when it's morning so that you can see the view of the lake from that window over there. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Damari. In case you are new to this channel, welcome. In case you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always viewing my videos and commenting and doing so many things. So today's video is a vlog, a staycation. So I'm at Empolos Hotel. It's in Nakuru, in a place called Shabab near LiQWYD supermarket. Yeah, this staycation is courtesy of Obed in the Wild. So thank you so much, Obed, for making the reservation for me, doing everything. Like, the only thing I did was wake up, shower, pack my clothes. He did everything, communicating with the hotel. Follow Obed in the Wild on his page on Instagram at Obed in the Wild, and also his website at www.obedinthewild.co.ke to get the best deals, the best traveling deals you can ever get anywhere in the world. When I say anywhere, I mean anywhere. It's not just Nakuru, Nairobi, or Naivasha, or anything. Anywhere in the world, anywhere you want to go, Obed in the Wild has got you covered. Hope you guys enjoy my vlog, and don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, put the notification bell on so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And it is every Tuesday and Friday, and the girl is going to be consistent, I promise. So thank you so much, and hope you enjoy the vlog. From the door, we have this place where I kept my key. So that's my bag, my tripod, my other stuff there. That's a dustbin. I think it's a mini bar. And then you can make your coffee here. There's some clean water. You have tea or coffee and sugar. Then here we have a closet. It's really pretty, the closet. So that's how the closet looks like. Then this side we have a bedside lamp and the telephone and a little drawer here for keeping your things there. And then there's a nice painting. That's a monkey. Oh, looks like a sad monkey. So on this other side I have the screen and a wall clock. Yeah, a wall clock, not a watch, a wall clock. And I don't know why the electricity is not on. On this other side I have another bedside lamp, the remote, a Bible. Yep. And then there's a small place for studying. Then I have like a little lounge with 2 seats. That's for drinking your evening coffee while looking at the sunset. But there's no sunset today. It's really cloudy outside. That's my view from the window. It's really, the lake is on this other side, so there is the lake. This is the bathroom. What we have here, also a toothbrush. Wow, they're really generous. Some earbuds, body lotion. This is the soap and the towel, tissue, blow dry, and the towel there. Then here what we have, shampoo and another shampoo, and a shower cap. That's it. So after dinner I went back to my room, did so many TikTok videos that you'll see them on my TikTok page, and after that I cleaned up and then I went to sleep. So I slept early because tomorrow I have a very long day. I have so many things I want to show you guys, so I hope that you guys enjoy my vlog. Bye bye.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never leave.